In this video, the dog will be educating us on how to do it. This is super cool, guys. Na 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 na.
What's going on, my gang? Today I'm going to show you how to get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go, free money and free dice rolls. So let's get into the tutorial. And as you can see, guys, the money and dice rolls are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So let's get straight into the video. This fully works on iOS and Android, so you guys can be top dogs in the city. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is go to zoomodds.com. So let me just type it in. Alright, so now we're in the zoomodds.com full of modded games. Type in Monopoly Go and let's look for it. And there it is. So go ahead and press on it. So before it downloads, there will be one more step. This is the verification step. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. Alright, my puppies and my hound dogs. Let's give it a moment. And now it's going to load up and it's just going to say like missing files or whatever. So we just have to download 2 of these apps. This is the final step. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but just make sure you download 2 of the apps. Like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. I could do the Underdog Fantasy, which says down and run for 30 seconds. So make sure you download 2 of the apps and then you will get the free money and dice rolls on Monopoly Go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, but yeah, this fully works, guys. You can see DraftKings Casino, all these different apps. Now bear in mind, I do live in the US, so if you live in another country, the apps may not be the same. But make sure you go to settings and keep that background app refresh turned on and the low power mode is turned off, guys. So once you do that, you're going to be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, that's how to get free money and dice rolls on Monopoly Go. So there it is, zoomodds.com. That's the website, guys. So try it out for yourself. Super cool, and this fully works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if money and dice rolls are your thing. Because personally, guys, I know a lot of people that are broke on Monopoly Go because they are just dumb, and what they do is they kind of believe that they can't get dice rolls and money, so they just totally avoid that. But I'm just here to show you that it is possible, so you don't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is the best part. But yeah, so zoomodds.com, that's where you want to be. So try it out for yourself, guys, and get the word out right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, this fully works, no jailbreak, so try it out. And there it is, zoomodds.com. That's the website where you can get the free money and dice rolls. So if you don't try this website, you're just an idiot, because it's the best website to get free money and dice rolls, and it is so crazy. So if you're poor, I understand your situation, but I'm honestly not that sympathetic to you. And the reason I'm not is because I know that it is possible to get free dice rolls and money on Monopoly Go, and I am providing a tutorial on how to do it. So if you guys don't take action, that's your business. That's not my business. But there it is, guys. That's how to do it. So be sure to try it out, zoomodds.com. So I hope you guys found this useful. I'm personally someone that is really an advocate for this kind of stuff. So definitely try it out for yourself, get the word out. But yeah, this is fully working, guys. So hope it works for you as well. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're maybe interested in seeing some other content like this, because I might make another video if this one gets some views. So yeah, we'll just do that. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, get the word out and peace out, brotherhood. Enjoy.